That was a perfect spot, though. Oh.
Should I go for the other cheek?
No.
Same cheek?
Yeah.
Hold on, let me sterilize this.
Don't worry about it. Use this.
Alright, ready?
Dude. Let's see how many we can get in there.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh, I can see your ass. Literally.
Ow, dude. Oh. It's in there. It's in there. Oh, my left leg.
Number 2. Actually, technically, this is number 3.
Oh, fucking bitch! Oh, that one hurt. That one hurt. Where is it? Oh, OM God. OM God. Where are they? OM God. Okay, go for 3. That one hurts so bad.
Do you want more power?
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Dude, oh, it stings so bad. Oh, fuck. Lifting it up with my dick practically.
More power it is.
Oh, fuck.
Alright, let's really see how deep.
Ow.
Side view. And the
Ow.
full length one is that long.
Okay.
I hope you got a good laugh.
Oh.